Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to simulate flooding simulations in 3ds Max using just simple geometry planes and a grayscale DEM map. So to start, you want to make sure that your view is set to orthographic, otherwise these weird glitches can come from these one-dimensional planes. Since it doesn't have any thickness or whatever, so just make sure it's orthographic. So you want to start by making a plane with the box tool, just to make sure that it has some thickness. Make sure you cover the entire area of your site and just give it a height of whatever, 100. Sure, that's fine. And then make sure to just give it a name, like height map or something. Alright, so in order to get a grayscale DEM map, you can just use a site like this, USGS Explorer. It basically just gives contour data on whatever place in the world. So after you make an account, go to datasets, find your location, go to digital elevation, and then click SRTM. And then select the first one, this one. And then just click results. And you should have your grayscale data set just here. And you can use that for this experiment. All right, so the next step towards getting these contours is we have to import the DEM map that we just downloaded from the site. So under displace, parameters, image bitmap, you want to import the map here. So just click none and then Alright, so now you want to give it some thickness to to accurately represent real life contours. So if you have the contour lines that you can easily get from any website, just lay it over, just slightly over the plane, to give you a reference point to what to raise the contours to. So again, under parameters, displacement, you can increase the strength to give it some thickness. Now you don't want to give it too much strength, otherwise it'll just be like massive mountains. So just enough that it mimics the contours that you already have, these contour lines. So how it works is the light and dark areas of the black and white image get pushed up or down, and so that can create accurate contour elevations. Okay, so the next step is you want to create the floodplain. The floodplain just mimics the different levels of flooding at certain elevations. So to create this, go to the create panel, shapes, and just click a rectangle. And then highlight the rectangle, go to modifiers, conversions, and then turn to mesh. So now to actually simulate the flooding, you want to position the plane at one of the lowest points in your contour dataset. And then to the right, under height, you can just slowly increase the height to mimic rising sea levels or rising water levels. And so this would show exactly which parts of the site would be submerged first in a flooding event. Now, if you want to create an animated flood simulation, go to the bottom right hand corner and toggle auto key mode. It should turn red. So that basically means any parameter change within the model gets keyframed at certain points. So let's say the floodplain is here, and then maybe 30 frames later it's up to here. So that can create an animation which shows the rising of water over time. And that's it. So that's how you create a fast and effective flood simulation using the 3ds Max displacement modifier.